Hi, this short video will walk you through a sample Google site I've created as a sample for the second module project, which is where you curate teaching materials and digital tools. I'm at the home page. I set up Google Sites so my menu would be on the left side, which tends to be best practices in web design. And on the home page, which I'm modeling for you, you'll want to include a brief welcome, maybe a little something about your site self, and what people would learn if they came and read through your website, and contact information. I also added an image. I think it adds a nice personal touch. And you'll see a black oval underneath my image. That means that I'm in the Google Site preview mode to show you my portfolio. So on the left menu, you'll notice the different pages that are available. I collected materials and then I started to group them together, and that's how I came up with the title for my pages. You'll see your groupings and what makes sense for you. You might want to group according to your courses or certain subject areas. So you do what makes sense for you. I'm just doing what made sense for me in my role as an instructor in virtual education. So I have web conferencing tools, image tools, audio tools, assessment tools, and open educational resources. Starting with web conferencing tools. And on this page it says I'm in the process of collecting resources, so I know that this is a work in progress, and I have a couple of resources here. I've embedded a URL to get it to look like this, and then I would add the text to complete the assignment. And I'll show you that, and that would be in assessment tools, where I have included the embedded URL, and this should look familiar to you from the first project in the course. So here is Kathy Schrock's website on infographics. And underneath that, I have the assignment. So I talk about the assignment, the page. I give the title, the citation of sources, the summary, and annotation. And I just did it in bullets. And so that's about what I'm looking for your 5 annotations. I'm not looking for anything lengthy. You just want to keep it short because this is what people would use and this is how they would access the information. So you can look at some of the things I've started to collect for image tools. Here, instead of embedding a URL, I linked a URL to the words in a text box. I have audio tools here. And then open educational resources. I've started to add a few things here as well. So I'm going to leave the preview mode and go to what it looks like in publish mode. And here, if I wanted to insert something, I can do text box, images, embed, or from the Google Drive. I highly recommend creating a Google Drive, and now I'm switching to a tab, another page I have open on my internet, which shows my Google Drive, but I created a new folder, and I have it here. It's for this course, and then in the folder, I've uploaded anything I've wanted to add to my Google site, because that way I can make sure I can share everything from my site to folks, and it just makes sharing of information a lot easier. That's a little tip I've learned. So I hope this video was helpful, and please contact me if you have any questions.